Hi, Luke. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me, Luke?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Luke, how are you today?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Wait, yeah. Hmm. Nah, Luke, we'll start our lesson today, yeah. So, wait a minute. What is the name of your dog, Luke? Does it have a name?
Onion.
No. What is the name?
Onion.
I. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of that name?
Nothing. It's just a name.
Nothing. It is a name. Okay. Okay, look, we'll start our lesson today then ya. So now we learn about data analysis, about apa feature engineering. Yeah. So today we'll learn about feature engineering. What do you have in mind, Luke, when we are talking about feature engineering?
About what engineering?
Feature engineering.
Can you put in the chat?
Let me share my screen then. Nah, feature Onyot. The full name is Onyot the Bonyot. Okay, it's really cool. Onyot. Feature engineering. What do you have in mind? What is it?
Hmm. What's this again?
This one, I already share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So what is a feature engineer?
I'm thinking.
Okay,
Yeah, I forgot.
you forgot. Okay. So feature in data
Mhm.
analysis, it's like
Wait a
a
second. I need to
column.
get water. I have hiccup.
What do you say?
Hiccup.
Okay. If you're ready, tell me, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll start then, yeah. Now, so when we are talking about feature, it's simply a column of the tables, yeah, or a series in the data frame. Okay, so it's like a new column for your tables. For example, if you have a birthday or maybe a birth date, someone birth date, can you make a new column to know what is the age of the, yeah, I mean, how old they are from the birth date column?
Uh. Ah.
Well, we can, yeah. So it's simply like create a new column. It's like a giving a new formula and then just store it in the new column. Okay. Nah, so for example, for other example, yeah, this one. Now, before we jump to the feature engineering, we'll go to the data cleaning. So, data need to be clean as well because sometimes data it's like uh, your questions on our previous sessions when you ask about why the value of the category is all caps.
Mm.
Yeah. Nah, there is one of the apa dirty data that need to be clean. Okay. So the first characteristic of the dirty data is zero values. Zero values or null values is like obstacles for our data, yeah, because we don't have any
Mm.
ideas what will be, I mean, yeah, what will be the meaning of the data itself. Yeah, so the non-values or the null values is a bad for our data set. Okay. Now, so if you want to calculate how many null values in your data, you can use is null function and then just call uh the variable names ya gitu. Now, for example, you want to calculate or you want to filter all of the rating column with the null values, and then you just can use the PD is null. Okay.
Mm.
Now, the next one is if you face a new values, you can fill NA. Fill NA is like you giving a new values to that null values. Yeah. For example, you want to fill the null values with -1. It's really possible. Just call the column name that you want to replace the null values with the number -1, and don't forget the in place true. So you don't have to create a new variables. Now drop NA to remove all the null values instead of replace with a new values. Yeah.
What if every single row has no value?
What do you say? What are questions?
What if every single row has a null value?
That means that data is good. We don't have we don't have any new values. That is a really good data. But somehow yeah, human make mistake, right? They forget to input the values, so it will be the null values that. Okay. The next one is if you see the size is M and also the install is plus, the price, there is a dollar sign in there. It's one of the dirty data as well. Yeah. So we can use replace, yeah, replace and also apply functions to replace all of this unnecessary character. Okay. That's all. Have any question?
No, sir.
No, okay, no question, yeah. Okay, please share your screen, yeah. Open your Visual Studio Code.
Yes. Video studio code. Is it this one, sir?
Yeah? Yes, number six. Open number six.
Hello, sir.
Yeah? Have you read the question?
Look at my screen, sir.
Oh, wait. Uh,
Do I just wait?
you can close the Visual Studio Code and then just reopen it. Open this Visual Studio Code ya, Auto VS Code. Wait, what happened?
I don't know, sir.
Uh, can you just close it again and then reopen it? Hmm, what happened here?
Ah, finally.
Okay. No, okay. Read the question first ya. Look. Okay, already read the questions.
Yes, sir.
Nah, okay. So we need to answer the first questions.
How do I?
Put information about the entire data frame and then how many apps in the dataset have non-values. How can we get to know about that?
Using the new function we just learned.
Yeah.
I need to open that file so I can remember what it's called. Come on.
Okay, I will send the PPT again. Yeah. This one, you can click again. Open the new materials.
Ah, wait, which slide is it, sir?
Uh, so we are using about it's no the first one, the
So
beginning
slide
slide.
1.
No, around 10 and 20.
Okay. Print information about a friend. Are these two not the same, sir? 3 and 4?
What?
3 and 4 are the same, no?
Yeah, the same. Okay. So if you want to get to know all of the information, you can use this one. Yeah.
Which one, sir?
Go to the VS Code again. Yeah. Somehow it's really hard. Nah. Okay. Print df info. Yeah. And then how many null values you can use the is null. And then the third one is if you want to replace using fill NA. Okay. The next question. Read the question. Read the next question. Now, what do we need to do for the next question? What do we need to do?
So will that be nat, gigabytes, or bytes?
Now we want to remove all the measurement of size of the application size, yeah, because it's unnecessary. Okay,
Huh?
we want to remove this one because we can calculate. If you want to know what the average of the application size, it's really hard to know because there is a character, and the pandas will recognize the calculation as a string, not a numbers. Yeah, so we need to convert this into numbers. How can we do that?
Oh, you
Yeah.
can just
So
run
we
through
need
the.
to do the value count first, yeah. Value count first, and then just create a new column, new functions, yeah, to cast all of the measurement, yeah.
Okay, then. So I don't think you call set size.
What is it?
I don't think you called the function.
The name is set size.
Yeah, sorry, you didn't call it.
Yeah, we haven't called it yet. This is for the next question, yeah. So we need to apa? Oh no no no, we already call it. See, there's a apply function. So apply
Oh,
function is used for table like a pandas, like a data frame. So all the rows will implement the set size functions.
is that colon -1?
Yeah,
91024. Sir,
Yeah.
are you sure this one is small k?
What did you say?
Are you sure this is supposed to be small k?
Yes. You can see from the apa from the source apa from the data source. From the CSP. Scroll down. Actually, it's really hard to see that. Uh, if you want to make sure, you can just run this line
Oh,
of code because it will value counts. It will apa
yeah, okay.
count all the
It's fine. It's
categories.
fine, sir.
Mm.
Oh, huh?
We'll see later on, yeah, after you finish write the code.
Yeah, sir. It's fine. It's normal to
Yeah,
be
that is
capital K
normal.
instead.
Mm. It's supposed to be like that.
The normal is capital K, so I just assumed that there
Yeah,
could be typo.
that's why we call this data is a dirty data.
Huh?
This is a dirty data, not a clean data.
And what does that mean?
That means we need to clean the whole data. We need to do the data cleaning.
Hmm.
Apply ya. Look, there is
What, sir?
apply.
Huh?
Aduh. Oh my god. This one.
Also, sir, what happened?
Okay, you can. Huh?
Why did you get shocked?
Oh yeah, my dumbbell just fall. Okay, you can
Oh,
apa? You can play ya. You want to you want to play the code
no,
or
I'll
you
just
want to
do the
finish
rest,
all
sir.
the? Okay, we'll continue with the next questions.
Sorry, sir, I need to go to the toilet.
Okay.
Alright, sir, I'm back.
Okay. It's already finished, yeah. This is for the apply function. So we need to answer these questions. What is the maximum size of apps in the tools and category? How can we calculate that?
Max.
Yes. Do you still remember how to do that?
Use the aggregate function, right?
Yeah, we use one of the aggregate functions, but we need to filter the data first.
Yeah, wait, let me go find it. I have it in here somewhere. Aggregate, aggregate, aggregate. Wait, what do we need to do again? What's the
Get the
question?
max values.
Oh, it's group by then.
No, We don't have to group by. You already create. You already right. You told me that we need to use aggregate function. Yeah, this is correct. Just use dot max. This one, yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
That's it?
That's it.
What about this one? This question.
Yeah.
Mhm. Hello, sir?
Yeah. Finish. Okay. Next question. Yeah. Read the next question.
How do I do this one?
This one. This is line 17. It's for line 19.
Mm.
This is the answer for this one.
Huh?
See? Two number format float. There is a
Oh, it's
float
already.
function.
Oh, yeah, it's already float.
So yeah, you just move apa line 17 to line
Okay,
19.
then what?
Move it. Only line
Then what about
17.
this one? Number 9.
It's already correct like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Move line 17 to line 19.
Control X.
Okay. Have any read the question again. The next question.
Hmm.
Okay. What will be about the question? Look.
Okay, so I can kind of just copy this now and just change a few things. Mm. Mine's fine. Mm. Wait, is this how it works, sir?
Mm, yeah, we need to create a new functions, but the name function yeah set installs, and yeah, it's more simple than the apa the size ya because you only need to do this.
Is this it?
No, we need to use the replace. The name function is already correct, and also and also its
Mm.
parameters. But
Nope.
yeah, inside of its function, we need to tweak it more.
But it also says this one.
What do you say?
Read the second line, sir.
No,
What does the second line mean?
install zero. That means for the in the entry for number of installs, the plus sign must be unknown. Yeah, this one. So we are using replace instead of apa? Specifying for only plus sign. So we only apa focus on the last digit numbers.
Mm. 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 What is this?
Comma, and then we need to remove all the comma. Yeah, like that. No, 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 no. Single quotations twice. Yes. That means we need to remove all the commas.
Huh? Oh, okay. Mm. 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 Oh, sorry, sir.
What is it?
There's rain here, and the lightning is white. The thunder is.
Okay. Apply ya, not apple.
What? Huh?
Apply, not apple.
How did I accidentally put apple instead of apply?
No worries. Okay, finish. Have you read the next question?
Group the data by category and target audience. So this is gonna be using group by, obviously.
Uh, yeah, but there are other method, yeah, or other function
However you
to
prefer.
grouping
Just make
data,
the
to group a data
actionable also useful.
without group by. Yeah, so you can use pivot table, yeah, instead of
What's that?
group by. Pivot table. Have you have have you have apa? Have you ever heard it before?
Can you type it out in the chat?
This one, like this. It's supposed to be in one line, yeah. It's supposed to be like one line. Okay. So this
Never
one is
heard of
like a
it.
group by, but we are using pivot table.
Never
Yeah.
heard of
So
it,
the,
sir.
okay. I'll write it on the line 35.
But can you do it with the group by method instead? Is it possible?
Yeah, you can use group by method, but it's really apa? It will be really long if you want to use a group by method instead of the pivot table. Because in pivot table you can use column in here. Yeah, column and also values
Oh, okay.
and also index. Okay, so there are more parameters that you can use instead of group by.
I see.
Okay, on the line 35, yeah.
Type.
Okay, finish.
What does egg funk mean, sir?
What I say?
What does egg funk do?
Add function, it's like the aggregate. It stands for the aggregate. Aggregate function. So that means it will take all the mean values of the installs.
Oh,
Install
okay.
columns. Okay, next one.
Which app doesn't have a third specified? What type should be entered here? So this one needs to find the null, needs to find the is null on the type row.
Yeah,
Can you delete this, sir? This annotation.
okay.
So there's type one. That type column needs to be is null. Needs to find is null.
Yeah, go ahead.
How
How
to
can you
do
code
that?
it?
What, sir?
How can you code it?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. I don't know. I
Okay,
know what to do,
so
but I don't know how to do it.
yeah, we can use is null function.
That's it?
Is null function.
Yeah, I said that we need to use the is null function, but that's it. Is that simple?
Yes, that's why I told you like how you can how can you code it? Like it's really only use is null.
Yeah, it's only using is not and type and a lot of brackets and parentheses. Wait, is this just print df?
We need to replace the free yeah
Mhm.
fill NA with apa with using free type and then df info. That's it.
Type induction no. Mm, 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 mm. Fine.
Mm, you don't have to close the error. I haven't read it yet. No, 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 no. What is the error?
Wait, I think I made mistake.
Uh, run, start debugging again.
How do I do that? This thing is covering it up.
Run, start debugging.
The zoom thing is covering it up.
You can move it away, right?
Yeah, but it's
It's not.
annoying wherever it is. How do I just get rid of it?
No, we cannot get rid of it. You just move it away for a second and then just put
Very
it back.
annoying.
Start debugging. What is this, man? A function failed. Scroll right.
Hmm.
It's already correct. What is wrong with it? Okay. I think the Visual Studio Code is sometimes error. Content rating, columns type, values, installs, ekpong min. Yeah, it's already correct. Look. Just maximize this and enlarge again the question, yeah. So we can answer the next question. You can check all the boxes again. Set next level. Okay, you can click file, yeah, in here.
Uh,
Again, twice. Yes.
column is clean.
Okay, wait. This is I annotate the Y, yeah. So it's supposed to be like yes, and the rest of it, no. No, no. It's supposed to be no.
You put Y there though, sir.
No. Yeah, continue number three. This one is 1474.
Mm-hmm.
1474, okay. Now the value is varies with device, yeah.
What?
Varies with devices.
Oh, varies. So it's not various, it's varies.
Yeah, varies. And then the values is 1695 and then 99. I check. Hmm.
Mm.
Oh, no, no, no. It's not devices. Only device. The device is singular.
Second one.
Okay.
Hmm.
It's everyone 10 plus, and this one is free. Yes. And then next one. Uh, Let me type it. Yeah. Now
Mm.
this one, Command and Conquer Rivals, and this one is free.
Is this a game? Sounds like it.
Conquer. This one is free.
So, is it an app? Is it a game? Is it a store?
It's a type of application.
Yeah, what type of what application is it?
This one is game.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
Okay. Yeah, this is one of the game type of applications. Okay, this one just submit us for review. Yeah,
Nothing? Do nothing?
nothing. Do nothing. We already clean the whole data. Yes, go to profile. Okay. Actually, there is a feature engineering. Yeah, but I think we can continue to the next lesson. Yeah, after this.
Okay,
Have any
sir.
questions? Look,
No, sir.
no question. Yeah. So actually, you can just review the rest of the materials and also the rest of the exercise. You can answer it. If you have any question, you can
No,
ask me
sir.
to the group WhatsApp. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That's all. Do you have any question before we dismiss?
No, no, sir.
No? Yeah. Bye bye. Onyot ya. Bye bye Onyot and also Luke. Good afternoon.
Bye, sir.